Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mood Board by Srishti.
Also, please don't mind, I look very messy right now. I just came out of the shower and here I am making this video. I should have done some touch-ups and all. Let me apply lip gloss very quickly. Apply what? Not sure if it's broken or this is all discount. But anyways.
So this video is a little special because I am finally doing what I should have done in my first video, which is introduce myself. So if you are new here or if you have watched my videos before, welcome again, welcome back, or welcome to my reintroduction video.
So, the first question, who am I? Also, I may read the lines from my iPad because I have a tendency to forget things in middle, so don't mind that, okay?
So the first question, who am I? So I am Srishti. My name means creation or the whole universe, and I think that's why I'm always drawn to creating things, whether it's a video, random thoughts.
Creating anything, like in general, creating new things, learning new things, or writing my thoughts down in my notes app at 2 a.m. or just starting to write any thought at any point of time in the day on a piece of paper. So I'm just always drawn to creating things.
Right now I live in a small village with my mother, and इसमें गांव में रहने की एक अलग ही वाइब होती है. जैसे एवरीथिंग इज सो काम, सो कोजी. लाइक सुबह उठो तुम, अगर वैसे आई एम नॉट अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन, इफ़ यू आर वेकिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, ऐसे एकदम धीरे धीरे हवा चलती रहेगी. यू कैन सी द ड्यू ड्रॉप्स, ओस की बूंदें दिखेंगी पेड़ पे, पत्तों पे, और एवरीथिंग इन जनरल इज सो काम. तुम चिड़िया को बोलते हुए सुन सकते हो इन
At random points in day, you can hear that birds talking, chirping all the time.
and that kind of village vibe, like cozy, real, with no filters. That's what I want to bring in my videos as well. I am the youngest one in my family, just me and my elder sister. She got married 2 years ago. Also, I don't have any brother. So I am 5'8", which didn't help me to become a model side, but I can definitely change the bulbs, reach the top shelf without any table, and do almost all the savai in Diwali. So that's what my height is used for. And the last thing that is not very necessary for you guys to know, but I just want to share that my hair, it's not very silky, it's not straight, it's not curly, it's of wavy nature. Earlier I used to have very silky hair till 10th standard, but after that I changed my school, my location changed, and God took away all the hairs out of my head, and I'm bald right now. I managed to cover my head anyhow with few hairs that are left on my head. Touch wood. So मेरे बाल और मैं दोनों अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है. बाल का भी जब मूड होता है कभी अच्छा दिखता है, कभी वेवी रफ गंदा सा दिखने लगता है. सो दैट्स अबाउट माय मूड एज वेल. वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. दिस मोमेंट आई एम हैप्पी, द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट आई विल स्टार्ट क्राइंग out of nowhere. I will just sit and think of one incident and it will make me so sad or so happy. So that's what I am. So I guess that's why Bhagwan gave me this hair when I grow up. Now it makes sense. I would say in short, I am a softie with a creative brain and a chaotic heart. Also, I am a kind person, but I am not nice with unkind people. I am cruel to them. So the next question is, what do I do apart from YouTube? I work from home. That's why I have the privilege to live with my mom for so long.
Because after 10th, I left my home, and whenever I used to come home, I will always tell my mother, "Mummy, मेरे को नहीं जाना, मेरे को यहीं रख लो." There. So I was always in the same mood with my mother, like, "Mummy, मेरे को यहीं रख लो, मेरे को नहीं पढ़ना, मैं यहीं से पढ़ाई कर लूँगी." But maybe God was listening all my pleas. So he finally gave me a job which is totally work from home, and I'm living with my mother right now.
I did my graduation in biotech, and my graduation was completed in 2020. If you guys remember, the year of COVID, and that's why I didn't do my masters. And after giving my graduation last paper in October, I started first job after 1 month. So since then I'm working, and from biotech to tech, that's my journey. That's how I came from biology to a total different tech background. So YouTube for me is a small pause, a slow moment in this fast world, and here I feel like myself more, like it's me but more. To the next question and the third question of the day, why did I create this channel?
So honestly, I have always been that girl जो YouTube पे बैठ के videos देखती रहती थी, skin care vlogs. When I discovered about YouTube, I used to watch a lot of videos, like gaming videos. What is it called? That Bhuvan Bum. What does he make? I forgot. What is it called? Vines. हाँ, BB की vines, and a lot of comedy videos. And since the trend changed, I used to watch a lot of skincare videos because of my acne breakout and all, and skin problems और unboxing videos. और मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि this is what I should do always, क्योंकि मुझे एज आई मेंशन कि मुझे चीज़ें क्रिएट करना बहुत अच्छी लगती है. सो आई ऑलवेज थॉट ऑफ आई विल डू दिस वन डे वंस आई एंड आई हैव आल्सो ट्राइड इट, नॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस बट आई हैव ट्राइड मेकिंग वीडियोस एंड मेकिंग माय अकाउंट पब्लिक ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. बट इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो मुझे जानते हैं एंड दैट सोशल एंग्जाइटी, इवन इफ आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन, बट देयर आर सम पीपल ना जो कि तुमको मोटिवेट करने से ज़्यादा डिमोटिवेट कर देंगे. इवन इफ दे वोंट यूज द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स बट देयर वर्ड्स, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट दे आर नॉट motivating you it from any corner. So that's why I'm here on YouTube.
So after procrastinating for so long, one day after I got my iPad, I was like, that's it, I will create the video. मैं ऐसा सोचती थी कि I will grow my audience on Instagram, then I'll come on YouTube, and then my audience from Instagram will come on YouTube, and then they will subscribe, they will interact. But
I have deactivated my Instagram account because it used to consume a lot of my time. If I just sit and start scrolling reels, it will take all of my time. So I was like, that's it, I will only focus on one thing at a time. So here I am.
even if no one watches my video right now, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but it still feels worth it. पूछो क्यों? क्योंकि it feels like this is my space where I can talk, I can express, I can show, I can rant, and I can just simply be me without any judgment.
Because with God's grace, I don't have any negative people here, and I don't want anyone to be here to demotivate me. Because I easily get demotivated instead of getting motivated. So after procrastinating for so many years, I'm here very late.
I'm not here to go viral. I'm here to feel seen, find my people, and maybe make you people also feel seen at some point of day. Coming to the fourth and the most important question of the day, which is what kind of videos you can expect here. So this channel is not for perfection. This channel is for presence, progress, and most importantly, personal growth. Here on this channel, you will find a lot of things like mini hauls and budget finds, affordable finds, skincare finds, skincare for people with combination acne prone skin type, messy thoughts and unfiltered emotions, simple lifestyle things like chai breaks, a day in my life. Like, you will find everything. I will share each and everything that I have wanted to share with everyone for so long, but I never shared just because I had the fear that I will get judged. And even if people are judging me here, I don't care. बस वी जस्ट गेट ओनली वन लाइफ, है ना, एक ही लाइफ है. अगर मैंने तो पहली बात बहुत लेट से शुरू किया है, एंड इट्स बेटर टू स्टार्ट देन टू स्टार्ट नेवर. ऐसा कुछ करके है ना कहावत कि कभी भी शुरू करना इज बेटर देन कभी शुरू नहीं करना. सो I know I'm starting late, but I just want to stay consistent. I really want to stay consistent and build my space where I can be me. I can find my people who resonates with my thoughts, who understand, who doesn't come to me and say ki, you are thinking a lot, you think a lot, everything is in past, you should let it go. Why are you thinking a lot about that particular topic? It's in the past, it doesn't matter, nobody thinks so much. But there are people, I guess there will be, there will be people like me definitely out in the world, and I want to connect with them so that I don't feel left out. In brief, on this channel you will find everything as it is. जैसा होगा वैसे इस चैनल पे दिखेगा, just like my cracked nail polish. Now coming to the fifth topic of the day, fifth question, I can say some random facts about me. I am a total chai person. 2 times a day is mandate, and if guests are coming, if someone in the family is making chai, I will always say yes. I will never say no to chai, never ever. And even if I love chai, I'm not addicted to it. I can leave it anytime I want. So that's one thing about me. The other thing that I guess most of the people who are watching this video may have understood, that I'm an overthinker. I overthink everything. I make 27 scenarios for one single thing, and I keep on thinking, why did I do this, why didn't I do that? And even if I think a lot, I overthink every decision I end up making the worst decision possible most of the time. And the third random fact about me is ki I get attached way too easily. Okay, wrong decision. I shouldn't have opened my hair, but it's done. It's done now. Ooh, I look good in the mirror, but I know I don't look good in the camera. Let it be. So what was I saying? I get attached too easily. Like, whether it's friendship, it's relationship, whatever it is, I get attached too easily, and I give more than I can. Like, I always end up giving a lot. I invest a lot, my time, my emotions. The last topic of the day and the last question of the day is one thing that I want to change about me. So I would say one thing that I want to change about me is inconsistency, and again the same thing, overthinking. I want to trust myself more. I want to stop taking myself for granted. I want to be consistent for myself. I want to show up for myself, and because I know what I'm capable of, and it hurts when you know what you are capable of and still you are not able to utilize your potential to the fullest. So that's what I want to change about me. if you have watched it till here, it means a lot truly. Comment section में ज़रूर बताना one random fact about you people. I really want to know my audience. I can say I don't have much, but still I would say I really want to know my audience. And if you have found this video relatable a little bit, like at any point in the video, if you found that yes, that this is how I think, this is how I want things to be, this is what I want to do, and I vibe with her, I mean this is what I also think, then please subscribe and stay, and let me know in the comment box that you have subscribed after watching this video. And if you vibe with me, I mean if your vibe matched with me at any point in this video, like you felt like yes, this is what I also think, then please subscribe and stay, cause ये छोटा सा जो space है YouTube का, this is becoming a space which I'm really proud of. It's not always about numbers, sometimes it's about meaning, and I would say I'm here for both numbers and meaning. So if you are subscribing, that will mean a lot. So that's it for today's video. More relatable, raw and real content is coming soon. I will be posting more reviews on the channel, and
Slowly I will start posting videos in which I will talk and share my feelings about particular things which is going in life of each and every individual, but no one talks about it.
take care of your heart. Don't forget, life is beautiful, so are you. And thank you for being here. Bye.